Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi, legal intern from Team Lexus and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. I hope you like my previous video. Please like, share, comment on my videos and subscribe our channel Lex Click for getting latest updates. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the definition of state under Article 12 of the Constitution. In this video, we are going to discuss the Article 12 of the Constitution of India, the concept of the state, and the Article 12 of the Constitution. Article 12 defines the state, the government and the parliament, government and legislature of the state, and the final conclusion of the video. So let's start our video by the meaning of the Article 12 of the Constitution. About Part 3. Part 3 of our Constitution consists of a long list of fundamental rights. It is start right from Article 12 to Article 35. Thus, this chapter has been clearly and very well described as the Magna Carta of the Indian Constitution. For Magna Carta was not merely a document signed by the King John but a symbol of assertion of individuals' right. It reflects the awakening of the people in face of oppressive system like monarchy and tell us that individuals when fortified with rights and freedom can bring about a great change. The purpose behind having our fundamental rights rests in the need of having a just society that is nation ruled by law and not by tyrant. Rule of one man only leads to eventual resistance among the citizen as maker, executor and interpreter of law is the same man. Moreover, in case of infringement of human rights of an individual by the abuse of state power, he will have no option but to suffer because there's just no hope for relief in a tyranny. This is the rationale which lead to Montesquieu developing the theory of separation of powers. In the same is implied in our constitution by virtue of Article 50 of our constitution. Let's delve deeper into the shield which protects us from abuse of power by the state itself. Now we discuss the concept of state and Article 12 of the Constitution of India. The law dictionary defines a state as a public political, a body political or society of men united together for the purpose of promoting their mutual safety and advantage by the joint efforts for their combined strength. Individuals need constitutional protection from the acts of the state itself. Fundamental rights protection is available against the state only as ordinary laws are sufficient enough to protect infringement of rights by individuals. With great powers come a great risk of abuse, and in order to safeguard rights and freedom of individuals so that men in power do not trample upon them. However, in order to delve deeper into the concept, it firstly imperative to explore the definition of the state. Now, the Article 12 defines states in following manner. First, the government and the Parliament of India. Second, the government and the legislature of each state. Third, local authorities. Fourth, other authorities. Now we discuss the first definition in the concept of the government and the Parliament of the India. The term points to union, executive and legislature. This phrase can be understood by the simple observation. Whenever Parliament passes a bill and it gets assent and is brought into force, as in the acta is in the function to central legislature whenever a acta, whether as a whole or in a part, infringe upon the fundamental rights of an individual. It is challenged before the judiciary and then the same is left to judicial scrutiny. As we have seen in the celebrated case of Shreya Singhal versus Union of India, All India Rank 2015, Section 66A was challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court as being in violation of Article 19 of the Constitution, and on the same basis was struck down and declared ultra-vires. Now, Information Technology Act 2000 is a central law passed by Union Legislature, and therefore being a state, it cannot not be allowed to violate fundamental rights. The second point that describes the definition of state under Article 12 is government and legislatures of the state. This phrase indicates that acts of state legislature of executive will not the beyond approach and any state act, order, rule, etc., which leads to infringement of rights of an individual shall be safeguarded. The third meaning of the article of the state under Article 12 is local authorities. Authorities like municipality, district boards, etc. all come under the scope of local authorities, and remedy against them can be sought by an individual. The bylaws that a municipal committee makes are under the definition of law under Article 13 and can be challenged on the basis of violation of fundamental rights. Now, the final definition of state under Article 12 is other authorities. Now, coming to the most disputed and discussed phrase of all Article 12, that is other authorities, is pertinent that the evolutionary process of this concept is discussed in order to understand it better. Earlier, a respective interpretation was given to this term, and the principle of adjudicatum generis or things of like nature are applied, and the means are that authorities exercising government or sovereign function would only be covered under the other authorities. The liberal interpretation came when the Apex Court rejected the interpretation on the basis of ejus dam generis and held that no restriction can be assigned on the interpretation of the term. The conclusion of this video is this leaves with us the rationale that the superior judicial body, when acting judicially, would not fall under the definition of state, but when it performs any administrative or similar function, example conducting examination, it will fall under the definition of state, and the remedy could be sought in that context only in case of violation of fundamental rights. I hope you like and understand the topic of definition of state under Article 12 of the Constitution of India. Thank you so much. Please like, share, comment on my video and subscribe our channel Lex Click for getting latest update. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.